Which sentence describes an unreal situation in the past? If I study harder, I will pass the exam. I studied harder, so I passed the exam. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. The correct sentence is option 3 because it describes an unreal situation in the past. The use of the past perfect tense in the if clause, if I had studied harder, indicates that the action, studying harder, did not actually happen in the past. The result clause, I would have passed the exam, uses the conditional perfect structure, indicated the imagined outcome of the unreal past situation. Option 2, I studied harder, so I passed the exam, describes a real situation in the past where studying harder actually resulted in passing the exam. If I study harder, I will pass the exam describes a possible future outcome based on a present or future action. Now, let's practice. Use the comment section to finish the following sentence. If I had practiced more,